To enable Semrush Social Media Toolkit, start by logging into your Semrush account and navigating to the Projects tab. Here you will see a list of all your existing projects. Click on the project for which you want to enable the Social Media Toolkit. Once you are in the project dashboard, click on the Social Media Tracker button. This will take you to the Social Media Tracker page where you can set up and manage your social media accounts. On the Social Media Tracker page, click on the Set up Social Media Tracker button. You will be asked to connect your social media accounts, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Click on the Connect button next to each social media platform you want to track and follow the prompts to authenticate your accounts. You will be redirected to the social media platform's login page where you will enter your login credentials and authorize Semrush to access your account data. After connecting your social media accounts, you will be able to track your social media performance, including engagement metrics, follower growth, and content performance. You can also use the Social Media Toolkit to schedule and publish posts, monitor brand mentions, and analyze your competitors' social media strategies. To get the most out of the Semrush Social Media Toolkit, it is recommended that you connect all your social media accounts and set up tracking for your competitors' social media accounts as well. This will give you a comprehensive view of your social media landscape and help you make data-driven decisions to improve your social media marketing strategy. By following these steps, you can enable the Semrush Social Media Toolkit and start tracking and optimizing your social media performance. The Social Media Toolkit is a powerful tool that can help you streamline your social media marketing efforts and improve your online presence.